Why organizing your closet matters. A cluttered closet can make getting dressed stressful and time-consuming. Many people waste precious minutes searching for outfits, shoes, or accessories buried in piles of clutter. A well-organized closet, on the other hand, saves time, reduces stress, and even helps you make better use of your wardrobe. In this guide, we'll explore practical DIY closet organization ideas that you can implement right away, without breaking the bank. Whether you have a small space or a large walk-in closet, these ideas will help you maximize storage and maintain an organized, clutter-free wardrobe. Step 1. Declutter before you organize. Before you start organizing, it's crucial to declutter your closet. Follow these steps. Take everything out. Empty your closet completely to see what you have. Sort all your clothing, shoes, and accessories into categories. Use the 4-pile method. Keep items you wear regularly and love. Donate clothes that don't fit, are out of style, or haven't been worn in over a year. Sell high-quality items you no longer need but could sell online or at a thrift store. Trash torn, stained, or damaged items that can't be repaired. Try the hanger trick. Turn all your hangers backward. After wearing an item, hang it correctly. In 6 months, donate or sell anything still facing backward. Assess your storage needs. Now that you have fewer items, determine if you need extra shelves, bins, or hooks to store what remains. Step 2. DIY closet storage solutions. 1. Use baskets and bins for small items. Store scarves, belts, and accessories in labeled bins. Use clear bins for easy visibility. 2. Install additional shelving. If your closet has extra wall space, install floating shelves for folded clothes and shoes. Use stackable shelves inside existing shelves to maximize vertical space. 3. Hang hooks for accessories. Place hooks on the inside of your closet doors for hats, jewelry, or handbags. Install a pegboard to hang smaller accessories neatly. 4. Use tension rods for more hanging space. A second tension rod can double your hanging space. Use it for shorter items like skirts and blouses. 5. Add drawer dividers. If your closet has drawers, use dividers to separate socks, underwear, and smaller accessories. DIY dividers can be made from old shoe boxes or cut-up cardboard. 6. Repurpose everyday items for storage. Use empty shoe boxes as organizers. Shower curtain rings work well for hanging scarves or tank tops. Magazine holders can store clutches or flats neatly. 7. Create a DIY shoe rack. Use PVC pipes to create individual slots for shoes. Stack wooden crates for a rustic shoe display. Hanging shoe organizers can be used for both. Chalkboard labels allow easy changes shoes and accessories. 8. Label everything. Use labels on bins and baskets to maintain order. If needed. Step 3. Maximizing closet space for small closets. If you have a small closet, space-saving solutions are a must. Try these ideas. Use slim non-slip hangers. Save space and keep clothes from slipping. Rotate seasonal clothing. Store out-of-season items in vacuum-sealed bags or underbed storage. Install over-the-door organizers. Use these for shoes, jewelry, or extra accessories. Use a clothing rack. If your closet is tiny, a freestanding rack can provide extra hanging space. Fold strategically. Learn space-saving folding techniques like the KonMari method. Step 4. Maintain your organized closet. Keeping your closet organized requires consistent effort. Here's how to maintain your system. 1 in, 1 out rule. If you buy something new, donate or sell an old item. Weekly quick checks. Spend 5 minutes weekly to ensure everything is in place. Seasonal decluttering mode: do every 3 months. Reassess what you wear and remove excess items. Use a laundry system. Keep a designated spot for dirty clothes to prevent pileups. Stick to the system. Once everything has a place, return items to their designated spots. Final thoughts. Enjoy your clutter-free closet. A well-organized closet not only saves time but also reduces stress and makes getting dressed a breeze. With these DIY closet organization ideas, you can transform your cluttered space into a neat, stylish, and functional wardrobe. Remember, the key to maintaining an organized closet is consistency. A few minutes each day can keep your closet clutter-free and easy to use. So take the first step today, start decluttering, and enjoy the benefits of a tidy, well-arranged closet.